Good morning students, this is class 9 CBSE. Today our topic is can matter change its states, that is change of state of matter. In this topic I will tell you about the two factor pressure and temperature. How does pressure and temperature change the states of matter? Dear students, today I am going to start your next topic. Can matter change its states? Can matter change its states? That is change of state. In previous video, you have studied about the matter and its characteristics. Today, I am going to teach you how matter can change one form to another form. All the three states of matter, solid, liquid, gas, are interconvertible. That is, matter can be changed from one state to another state by heating or cooling. I am taking an example of water. You know that water exists in all three states: ice, that is called solid, water, that is liquid, and water vapor, that is gas. Now let us see. Water exists in all three states: solid, liquid, and gases. Gas. Water on heating, it convert into liquid state, water, and again on heating it convert into water vapor. Inversely when water vapor is cooled, it change into liquid and into the liquid state and finally into the solid state. Hence water is interconvertible. The states of matter is interconvertible. Ice change into water, water change into water vapor. Factor on which change of state depend. There are two factors on which change of state depend: the pressure and temperature. The pressure and temperature, these are the two factors on which states of matter depend. Whether matter will be solid, matter will be liquid, or matter will be gas. By an activity, let us see how change of state depend on temperature and pressure. There are many more questions arise in our minds during the change of state. The questions are: what happens inside the matter during the change of state? What happens to the particle of matter during the change of states? How does the change of state take place? There are many questions that arise in our mind. For answer to all these questions, let us do an activity. As we know that the state of matter are interconvertible, the state of matter depend on the two factors: effect of change of temperature and effect of change of pressure. There are two factors on which states of matter depend. Number one, effect of change of temperature, and next topic is effect of change of pressure. Now let us see how effect of change of temperature determine the states of matter. Let us see by an activity how temperature determine the states of matter. Let us perform an activity. Take ice in a beaker and suspend a thermometer into the beaker so that thermometer is contact with ice and start heating the beaker and note the temperature when all the ice has converted into water. After some time we see that all the ice has converted into water. Record the observation. For this conversion of solid into liquid state, we have observed that all the ice convert into liquid, convert into water states. Now a question arises here: why temperature? Why temperature change the state of matter? मतलब टेम्परेचर के द्वारा मैटर की अवस्था कैसे बदल जाती है, मतलब टेम्परेचर का क्या प्रभाव, कैसे प्रभाव. हाउ टेम्परेचर चेंज द स्टेट्स ऑफ मैटर, दैट इज सॉलिड इनटू लिक्विड. पार्टिकल्स आर आइस held together by a force of attraction. On heating, energy is supplied which overcomes this force of attraction between the particles. The kinetic energy of the particles of ice increases, as a result of which they start vibrating with greater speed and leave their fixed position and start moving freely. As the temperature is further raised, a stage is reached when the ice start melting and is ultimately and finally converted into liquid, that is water. This whole process in which a solid state of the matter is changed into liquid state is called the melting. This process is called the melting. Why this process is called melting? Because in this process solid state of matter change into liquid states of matter. So this process is called the melting process. And the process in which solid state of matter change into liquid state is called the melting point. And the temperature at which solid melts to become liquid is called its melting point. By with the help of this thermometer, we record the temperature at which the ice convert into liquid, that is water. That temperature point is called the melting point of the ice. Hence we can say that the temperature at which a solid convert into liquid state is called the melting point. Now here two topics are clear. One is melting process and another is melting points. Melting point means the temperature at which solid state of matter convert into liquid state is called the melting point, and the process in which solid states convert into liquid state is known as the melting process. Pressure is the another factor on which the states of matter depend. So let us see effect of change of pressure on states of the matter. Let us do an activity to understand how pressure is affected on the states of matter. As we know that temperature and pressure, these are the two factors on which states of matter depend. In order to understand the effect of pressure, for this we take a gas cylinder and apply a pressure on it by this piston. At the low pressure, the distance between the particles is very large. Under high pressure, the distance between the particles become less, and interparticle force and the interparticle distance between the interparticle is very less when we are applying the pressure by this piston. And finally we applying on the pressure on the gas, we see that all the interparticles, the distance between the interparticle is very less, and finally the gas convert into solid states. Hence we see that effect of change of pressure on states of matter. The example of effect of change of pressure is the LPG cylinder in the kitchen. LPG cylinder in the kitchen is the example of effect of change of pressure. On a high pressure, LPG gas is filled within the cylinder. The gas, liquefied petroleum gas within the cylinder is in the form of liquid state. And the example of effect of change of pressure, I am telling you very simple way. Take a dry leaves in your fist and blow the air for some time and open your fist. You will see that the dry leaves are wetted. आप अपनी मुट्ठी में सूखी घास ले लीजिए और लेने के बाद मुट्ठी खूब टाइटली बंद कर लीजिए, और बंद करने के बाद हवा दो 3 मिनट तक हवा मारिए, हवा फूंकिए, और इसके बाद आप जब मुट्ठी खोलोगे तो जो सूखी घास होगी वह गीली हो जाती है। तो इस एक्टिविटी से यह क्लियर हो जाता है कि मतलब प्रेशर के कारण जो एयर है वो द्रव में लिक्विड में कन्वर्ट हो जाती है। तो नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, योर क्लास इज ओवर टुडे and it's your duty to watch the video again and again. After watching the video, you complete your ESW. Now today you have studied effect of temperature and effect of pressure. These are the two factors on which states of matter depends.